What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker comparison for y'all today. And I know I haven't did this in a long time. Like, I think the last time I did this was on the Jordan 18, the CDP and the Toro joints. But we back again with all three of them. So, but before we get into the video, y'all already know what to do. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button. If y'all like the content, man, share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker comparison, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And I gotta go do some stuff today, so I'm not finna talk your ears off. Let's get straight into it. Now, we're gonna start out with some regular shit. This is the box for the Toro joints, the box for the Royals, and the 18s for that I got. You see, these is the same, but I have the CDP pack of the OG 18. So this is the box, the slide out box. You know, it's OG, so you know it got a little wear and tear in it. But I have the CDP pack of the 18. So of course this box wins 100%. Yes, I am going on who wins. And this box wins, slide out and all that shit. If I put it all together, it slides. It slide, nigga, it slide. But anyways, of course, CDP pack box, the super OG. And I'm just gonna get one of every shoe. I don't really want to put all the shoes up here at once, so I'm just gonna get one of every one. And of course, we're gonna start out with the Toro joints. Y'all that full 360 all the way around. Man, why that shit focusing on everything else? Focus on the shoe, my nigga. Focus. Steel DS. Cop these when they drop. Bow. Then we gonna go with the Royal joints. These are the newest release for the 18s. And like I said, this shit right here is still purple to me. I know that shit showing on camera. That shit purple. Then we're gonna go with the OG with the ashy, worn out suede on that joint. But these bitches so buttery, man. Oh, look, I messed that shit up. Oh, no, I did. It's coming off. Yes, the OG ones. So, here they go. The OGs and the newer joint. So, let's start off with the toe box. Look at that. Look at it. Okay, but look though, right off the bat, with the toe boxes, as you can see, like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but the Jumpman on the newer ones are more defined than the Jumpman on the OG. Like, I'm gonna do the Toros and the Royals. Look at the Jumpman. The Jumpman on this look like it looks older versus this one. It looks like it might be even. The Jumpman on this one might be a little bit bigger than the ones on this pair too. This Jumpman might be a little smaller than that one. And the stitching on these, on the newer ones, are better than the ones on this. And I'm going basically off the Jumpman. Like, I know the stitching is probably like worse because it got wear and tear on it, but yeah. The same thing with this. This Jumpman is bigger than this one, and it's more. This one right here is more like defined. Because Jordan, you can actually almost see a thumb, but it still look like a ball. But yeah. And toe box. And as far as the suede goes, the Royal pair and the Toro pair have real ashy suede versus the suede on the CDP pack 18s. Like this suede right here, you can almost hear it. Like, it's real ashy. Like, it got like slight backstroke motion, but not really. This one, the Toros is actually more buttery than the Royals. Like you can hear like it. You can't hear it as much as these. Like, the Toros is actually way more buttery than the Royals, and these right here, like, you can actually see the backstroke motion. You see it's darker now. Then I swipe it down. You see that light gray. Then you swipe it up, it gets darker. These are more butterier than the newer pairs. Let me take this little shoe tree thing out, a little whatever. These, suede wise, these win. And of course, you know, these were like toward the time where they were doing like the where they was coming with the brush. These were coming with the brushes and all that. So these right here were more butterier than, of course, these would be more butterier than these, because you actually have to brush these this way, you know, keep it nice and buttery. But yeah, suede, these win. Box, these win. So far they in. But when it comes to the stitching on the Jumpman, the newer pair win, because I guess, you know, technology is moving forward. And let's see, as far as the 23 on all of them. 23, the 23. The 23, honestly, on all three of these is basically still the same. Yeah, the 23, like, yeah, it's basically still the same. I say on the newer pairs, the 23 is like actually like the corners are more sharper. Like, I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying. Like, you know how they make the 2-3? The corners is actually coming to a point versus these where they're like more rounded. The 2-3 is more rounded. Like, it looks like a round versus these where the 23 is coming to points. So I guess if you go like stitching like Jumpman and 23, like, it's well stitched together, and it's, you know, they kind of did their thing with the stitching, but, you know, technology is better now, so they have, I guess, better things to stitch this stuff up with, so it's sharper and neater. So I guess the newer ones will win in that aspect. I mean, you can't really go off the stitching because these aren't DS. These are worn, so the stitching going around and everything, of course, it will be like, you know, less, you know, stitched together or whatever. And the bottoms of them are all basically the same, just different colorways. And if you're going by the colorway of the shoe, I would have to go with the Toros. I like that red, white, and black under there with the Toros. If you're going by colorway, I would go Toros. I really like that red, white, and black with the black Jumpman right there, the black 18, the red pods on there, translucent bottom. Yeah, I would have to go with the Toros on that aspect. Overall look of every shoe, you know, these is basically like yin and yang of each other. These are like the only ones that's different. But overall look of each shoe, I would have to go with the Toros. I know they ain't OG, but I just like the look of these Toros. These Toros is fire. For real. Back of the shoe, pretty much all the same. They pretty much the same. This suede, like this suede right here is way thicker than these new suedes. Like, it's actually like, you can kind of see like where it's like poking out, and these suedes is like real flat. The car vents, the vents that goes So like this, as you can see, like it's a little wear and tear, so it's not closed all the way. But vents and stuff pretty much the same. You have like that little holographic little thing behind the vents of the shoe or of the car. It's a little holographic look. But yeah, the back of them pretty much the same. No different. Carbon fiber. I think the Toros have like a darker, it looks like, I don't know, maybe it's just the camera, but it looks like the Toro. No, well, they all the same. Just the colorway different, but these Toros is like fire though. For real. Midsole of the shoes. Pretty much all the same, except for, you know, the bread joints got the deep red. This one have that black carbon plate with that translucent bottom and give it a little bit more pop. Give it a little bit more pop to them. But yeah, like honestly, but you see what makes these stand out is those silver hints they put on these, like all black with the silver, the chromed out look, versus these where they just made it all red to where everything kind of blends in except the black and the black stitching on there. But basically everything blends into this shoe. They should have made these right here black right here. That probably would have made stuff pop out a little bit more. But these wins versus like overall like catching your eye. These will win because them little silver hints really make the Jumpman and the 23 pop out. But yeah, overall, like if I had to choose, I would probably choose the Toros. But like these two is definitely some fire though. Like no lie. Oh, okay. And I just noticed that on the OG ones, you can, like, on the Toros, you can see, like, where the carbon plate is kind of inside of there. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but you can see where the carbon plate is actually inside. And you can see on here as well where the carbon plate is actually inside. But on these non-OGs, you just have a flat Jumpman. It's just a flat Jumpman. Oh no, they got a black carbon plate on here. Oh, that's okay. I see it now. You did something with this one. Yeah. Overall, man, comment down below, man, which one do y'all like the best? Did y'all cop all three? Did y'all pass on them? 18s just not y'all thing. Y'all don't go past 14. Like OG Kick said, he don't go past 14. So that's why he passed on these. But let me know in that comment section down below, man, how y'all feel about the 18s. Did y'all cop the OG ones? Did y'all leave the Toros alone? Let me know down below how y'all feel about them, man. This is my video, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker comparison, whatever I do. And comment down below, too. Comment down below, which one would you choose? Would you choose the OG ones? These definitely fire. Would you choose the OG ones? Or would you choose the Toros? These two is OG. These the Toros. Comment down below which one would you choose. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.